You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is n equals -45. Let's solve it step by step. Group all n terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract n from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 11 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the n. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is n equals -45.